Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my year of savings. I have $100 in prop money. So let's get to saving. All right, let's start with our every Friday. And every Friday of 2025, this goes towards an extra payment of debt. And what I do is just calculate what I save for that month and then make that extra payment, which has been working for me. So this Friday is the 8th of August. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. So just put that in there. So that's $9. Next, we have our weekly savings created by Norella's Budgets. And this is saving for my son's senior year, class of 2026. And let me go ahead and roll. What I'm doing is just rolling a D8, but you can do this however you want. And that is an 8. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. Quick little savings. Don't cost too much. Next we have our saving challenge here created by Save with Judy. Each icon is $5. The whole year is $300, which is great because that is also going towards his senior year, which I need to get my color pencils. Thought I had everything ready, but no, I don't. All right. So we are doing the $5 and our watermelon. Let's do this one. I finally got some watermelon that was so good. Perfect. All right, what we got next? Oh, let's put that $5 in there. I just got stuff everywhere. So $5 is going in. And next we got Santa's Coming to Town, which I put in $20. And this is created by Miss Chief Menace Budgets and Champagne's Corner. And I already finished a couple of these challenges already in here. So got the 20. Let's load the 20 up in the calculator. Subtract. We are doing the reindeer game. So let's go in here and get a reindeer. What is up with 10? This reindeer wants to be seen. So that is half the money right there. So we have $10 left. Oops. Should I do another one? Let's do another one. I'm kind of scared. Oh, so this one says, I knew it. Times 2. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Is it a 1 in here? I don't remember what's the denominations in here. Really? We did a 7 though. That is like the one I didn't want. I wanted the 5. I just couldn't get the 5. I got the 7. So now I'm putting $14 in here, which is okay because I won't have an IOU. So 14. I just put a little bit more than I wanted to. So let's go ahead and put, what's that? $34. Yeah, $34. So 20. 30. Do I got $1? Yes. So let's put the 5. So We are putting the $34 in here. Jeez. Well, let me be great. That's okay though. All right, so next we will go to our, say, 2025 and 2025. And we are, should we just put the rest 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. All right, put the rest in here. What'd I say? 45, I believe. 20, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay. So 45. What's the next big one in here? 30. So minus 30. And then do we have a 15? Of course, we don't. We have a 16. Do we have a 15 over here? Or let's do, oh, we do have a 15. Should I just do these two? Or should I do, what I said, I have 45. So 45 minus 18 minus 16. No, no. Should I just do it the easy way? Yeah, let's just do those two. So let's do, what color? Let's do 30. And then let's do, what'd I say? 15? Yeah, 15. That sounds like a plan there. Perfect. And that is $45. We are doing pretty good in here. I have to, oh, look, I was about to put this in the wrong envelope. I'm glad I stopped myself. I am eventually going to have to scratch these off. But I wanted to focus on this first, and then we'll do the scratches. And then we work on 2026. I can't believe 2026 is knocking at the door. Woo, child. All right, gems. That was quick and fast with that $100 saving for my year of savings. So thanks everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.